Hey everybody, hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the golf ball retriever from the company Prowithlin. Now I don't know if that's supposed to be Pro within, but the company is Prowithlin. And as with all my purchases, I like doing these videos in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, that kind of stuff. As with all my videos, I purchase these items with my own money. I get nothing for doing the video, except just helping people out. So let's see what's all in here. Ah, there's the company card. Prowithlin. So, as you've already seen, they give you some plastic golf tees. Now, I'm not normally a big fan of the plastic golf tees. These are really sturdy. The reason I don't like plastic golf tees is usually they're so hard to get into the ground. These are extremely sturdy, so I will try these out. Benefit of a plastic golf tee is if you've got one that's sturdy enough and you can get it in the ground, they'll last forever. You don't have to carry around tons of wooden golf tees. So 5 golf tees. And then the main attraction, the telescoping golf ball retriever. So I've got a golf ball retriever currently, but it's one from the 80s that is long and basically takes up a slot in your golf bag just like a club. This one is telescoping. I could be able to show the whole thing in the video. It's nice and firm, so you don't have to worry about it untelescoping on its own. Weighs 8 ounces, extremely light, goes out to 6.5 feet. It's got a nice rubberized grip. I'm looking, oh, there we go. I was saying I should be getting another accessory. It's right here. So they give you this. Now, it's not really designed to be put at the bottom of this. It's really designed to be put at the bottom of your putter. So if you've got back problems, you can't bend down, you can screw this into the back of your putter. Once the ball goes in the hole, you can turn your putter upside down, push this in to pull the ball out. So I'm gonna throw that on my putter. You've got this nice little basket, so when you're getting your ball out of the water, it'll bend, and then once the ball goes in, you've got this clip here that keeps the ball from falling back out once it's been retrieved. Anyway, really nice, small enough and light enough that you should be able to just throw it in the side compartment of your golf bag, and if you ever need it, open up, pull it out, won't take any space away from your golf clubs.